Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to e-file W-2 and 1099 forms directly inside QuickBooks Online. This is very important because filing electronically saves time, and QuickBooks makes sure your forms go straight to the IRS and Social Security Administration. So inside QuickBooks, simply head to the payroll section. So if this shows up in your menu, simply click on it. Then you're going to have to look for the tax forms. So QuickBooks will then guide you through preparing your W-2s and 1099s. So for W-2s, you simply have to confirm employee names, social security numbers, wages, and tax withholdings. And for 1099s, you simply need to check the contractor details and payment totals. Here's the part that trips most people up. Always double check social security numbers, tax IDs, and amounts before submitting. Because seriously, one typo can cause the IRS to reject your form, which means delays. But once you've confirmed everything, QuickBooks will then file them electronically for you. It also provides digital copies for your employees and contractors, so there's literally no need to print and mail. And if you're wondering about deadlines, W-2s and 1099s are both due by January 31st each year. So filing through QuickBooks also helps you stay compliant and on time. So that's it. E-filing in QuickBooks literally keeps things fast, accurate, and paper-free. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.